guys, ngasidine nung sasaya na tholakpaneba do. I could say it's freezing. Kasi ay hand gloves support pa kaure dana. Ing mana sire. Do leko lagyan. Oh, kasada. Na ingi ko ngasi je. Na ing budi ingi do show nung sakara thuye na ije tholakpaneba mapanda. Yengo ta nung sa. Sina hamane nung sa tho ije. Adigi koi balai na je hektar la avane. Sige no piece iroi ing wakanda ishi batana ma ubda isingjalle. Ado summer da di mina big than mani ko lake se sunbathing tawba swimming tawba loi shure. Winter da di twilight ki werewolf to give vampire de thol to male soise. Ado isu ngak sanare yumda halle aduga winter yorak pagi una bana loi kien greko. Yengo mi ilambi je phajadra sit na laga. Hello ma'am. Ngasi ay city center nila ko ay na Kerala unemployment benefit ki apply to bado magi update hangba. The lore city nga koi rani da yung minara sing. 또 숨숨 고래가 시대 Asian market naman tingnan ko kay kayawing minarasiko Thai, Indian, Korean, Japanese, etc. nang mayawra maniko sida ado atopa bigger cities like Helsinki the Indian store to wana leko ado Tampere it's a small city that's why kano option ka available like duna sinam sa minarasay dried fish kasi yaw isyo. Adigi aisle tungan ba kano options mayam lare noodles ki mackerels ki. How ma beko siya na lare sila. Noodles kimchi ramen. I wanna try this. Kato nga laki siya. Indian tea bane ka yaw jano. Ufila na. दम आलू पंजाबी छोले चना पुलाव मशहूर है पनीर seafood or meat anamba frozen dala iko sida options pamle to fresh pakti phangde adigi second store Thrift store Finland Diaries se amna popular oiba Thrift store ni ko moi shoida Thrift store or second hand store se amna available oiko Finland da airport to book Thrift store late hazare oh my god sing machine jam phazai 25 euros and 35 euros oh sini lining hai adigi boots option mein am lere से दुम नंग अफबा क्वालिटी अदुगा ब्रांडेड प्लस डिजाइनर शूज को फंगी को सेकंड हैंड स्टोर नंग थीब कलदी ओ थिगी फर कोट्स फर जैकेट्स ऑप्शंस में हमला सिदा आइशो म ट्राई तोरे अदो फर से प्योर एनिमल फर कोट नि को अदुना ममल च दुम फजैये दिस जैकेट वाज 400 euros which is 10,000 yamda adigi cutlery mo yang asigo there are multiple options made with different style and designs adugo hong la japang so people prefer buying it from here mostly adigi decorative piece or furniture or people prefer buying it from second hand since nang you're looking for options and changes. And there's another option that you can easily sell your old clothes or old products over here in the second-hand stores. Nang sida easily nang gipot puraga yon bayay ko. Aduna si ma'am na convenient or na people always look for changes and options at the same time. Sida ma'am si vintage products kay ni ko sida lay ma'am sina. Adum bhaja badum yaw munni nga de id kano leibagi purpose chat pana tabani na yengaktre ko bhajana magi visual display jam bhajana thammi ko aduna yengo sibu second hand male barayong And I have spotted another vintage store. Let's check it out together. Yengsigo si Sydney. I think menswear the mainly focus the week she the like designer brands ma'am Yahweh. I think the leather jackets options ma'am really available. Like mostly I can see like Adidas ki options ma'am later shida sportswear brands ma'am later I think vintage options. ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯄꯦꯟꯗꯦꯟ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯣꯔꯁꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯌꯦꯡꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯁꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯣ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯦ ꯀꯦꯐꯦꯒꯤꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯊꯛꯇ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯣꯔ ꯂꯩꯀꯣ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯨꯔꯁꯦ ꯋꯤꯟꯇꯔꯗ ꯄꯥꯛꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯣꯡꯉꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯞꯁꯟ ꯌꯦꯡꯒꯦ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯄꯦꯟꯗꯦꯟ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯥꯟడ్ꯁꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯂꯥꯏꯛ ꯐꯤꯅꯤꯁ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯥꯟड्ꯁꯅꯦ ꯐꯤꯅꯤꯁ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯥꯟड्ꯁ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯎꯒꯅꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯂꯥ or like ꯃꯦꯔꯤꯃꯤꯀꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯐꯦꯃꯁ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯥꯟꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯐꯤꯟꯂꯦꯟꯒꯤ And this is another famous vintage store. Uf ko sise hanagi cliff niko aina ikuidana shopping tawbagi. The whole store say they were giving a huge sale for €1 per product. Aduga loinana buy 3 get 1 free and it was such a good deal that I bought so many things. There were multiple options on dresses, bottom wears, winter clothes like sweaters, adagi kenola jackets or coats. Adu mayam the yawe ko options and accessories to options mayam yawe adu aiju phanam le hore yengo to. And fill in the lady, you will fall in love with thrifting. You momo halagi ko ngasidi yam ko ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯝꯕꯤ ꯐꯥꯎꯖꯤꯜꯂꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯨꯝ ꯃꯅꯥꯛꯇ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜ ꯀꯦꯝꯄꯁꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯣ ꯁꯤ ꯉꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯁꯥꯟꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯃꯦ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯄꯦꯔꯦꯟꯁ ꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯂꯩꯀꯣ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯈꯩꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯣ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯈꯔꯅ ꯄꯦꯔꯦꯟꯁꯅ ꯂꯧꯕ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯒ ꯃꯌꯨꯝ ꯍꯟꯅꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜ ꯀꯦꯝꯄꯁꯁꯦ ꯆꯥꯎꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯉꯛꯏꯁꯦ ꯁ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗ ꯀꯩꯝꯇ ꯈꯥꯖꯤꯟꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯆꯤꯟꯕ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯣ That means it's really safe over here for children's. ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯄꯦꯔꯦꯟꯁ ꯀꯩꯁꯨ ꯅꯧꯅ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯒꯩꯁꯨ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯤꯔꯤꯌꯦꯟꯁ ꯇꯧꯍꯜꯂꯦꯀꯣ ꯂꯥꯏꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯧꯅ ꯐꯥꯖꯟ ꯄꯨꯟꯖꯟꯕ ꯊꯝꯗꯦ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯄꯦꯟꯗꯦꯟꯠꯂꯤ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯤꯂꯤ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯍꯜꯂꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯇꯝꯖꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯑꯣꯏꯌꯦꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯉꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯣꯔꯗꯔ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯆꯥꯔꯁꯦꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯟ ꯇꯧꯅꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯩꯁꯨ ꯆꯠꯂꯨꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯦ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯂꯣꯏꯗꯣꯔꯦ
Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Burger ꯂꯩꯔꯦꯀꯣ kebab. Oh, hauni si jam haubani. So it's chicken burger meal and chicken kebab with salad. Ado chatharaga sidi as yam haubani sigi kanose magi kebab se ko. Ado ngasi swaida mung loisinjarage ko. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it and marmakta swaida na educational content jo hapakke noju yingbiro o aduga any interesting topic that discuss tawningasu soidana share tawbiro o aiju research tawraga content samakke. Okay, swaida loisinjarage and I wish you a very nice weekend. See you in the next video. Bye bye.